So with the release of Windows Terminal Canary, one of your options to install this is to use the portable zip distribution. And to do that, you can hop out to the Windows Terminal repo. And in the case of Canary, you have some links here to download the latest version. However, I'm going to come up to the top here, come under Releases on the right, and I'm going to scroll down here. And then I want to grab the latest 1.18 release. This is the latest stable release. And if I scroll down here, you can see there are some links at the bottom of the release. Notably, there are 3 zip files. Those are going to be your portable distributions. Grab the one that corresponds to the CPU architecture of your machine. In my case, that'd be x64. So I'll save that. And if I hop over to my downloads directory, I can right-click and extract that file. We'll just leave it right where it's at in the downloads directory. You can see that it opens up a directory with terminal-1.18 with the release in it. If I come inside of here, and if I start out by coming down to the Windows Terminal program and run it, all right, now Control-Shift, will open up the settings. You can see this is an App Data Local Microsoft Windows Terminal. So that is the default because when you first run the program that you downloaded in that zip file, it's not going to run in portable mode. So now if I close this file and I come back to the terminal, if I change into the downloads directory inside of that expanded folder and go into the folder inside of there, I'm now sitting inside of the folder right next to the application. I'll split the screen here. Okay, so the first thing on the left-hand side I'm going to do, I need to create a new file called a portable marker file. I'll run the new item commandlet .portable. On the right-hand side, that'll be created right next to the profile icons folder. This is sorted by date created here. And now that I have that file set up, I'll go ahead and close down the terminal instance. And if I hop down to the bottom again here, open that up. Back up on top, you can see a settings directory was also created. That is a good indication that we are in portable mode. Just to be sure, if I open up the settings here, if you look at the path here, you can see we have downloads. We have the 2 expanded directories. There's that settings directory that was just added and the settings.json file. And so now the settings are stored right next to the application, which means we could just take that whole directory and move it somewhere else. And thus this is a portable install. Now, one other thing you can do to confirm the portable mode, come down to the About dialog. If you're in portable mode, you'll see it's marked right here. And so now if I take these settings here, I can hop over to a different machine here, open up Windows Terminal, Control-Shift, to open up my settings, copy all of those. And now if I hop back to my portable distribution, I can paste that over the top of the settings for that. And when I save that, over on the left-hand side, you can see it updates. It's got my new style. And aside from missing a font, I've got everything configured how I like it. And now if I want to copy this over to another machine and keep the style, just come up to that expanded folder, copy and paste this onto another machine, and I'll have everything set up as I like it.